Hello, my name is Benjamin Broudy, and I made Train a Brain, which is an app that lets anyone with minimal to no coding skills make, run, and continue training feed-forward neural networks. I use the Java programming language, VS Code, Eclipse editor, and Launch4j to create my app. Here's how it works. So once you have opened up Train a Brain, there's three options. You can either make a new neural network, run an existing neural network, or continue training an existing neural network. I'm going to click on New. So once you've clicked on New, there's a button right here that says Input Data. If you click on it, it'll open up a file explorer where you can choose a file that is your input data for your neural network. You can do the same for output data, and then entering in all of these other variables down here. If you need help on how to format your input and output data files, click Help. Okay, I've entered in all my variables. I chose 4 hidden neurons, a learning rate of 0.2, which is pretty standard, and 1 million repetitions. Once you've put in all of your variables, click Submit. And also, if you want to return to start, there's a return to start button right here. So now the screen has gone away, and a new one pops right back up. This could take much longer, like if you did 100 million, or you had a much bigger input and output data files. Mine is just adding a 0 and a 1. There's a 0 or 1, and another 0 or 1, and it adds them together. So you end up getting a 0 and 0 will equal 0, 0 and 1 will equal 1, 1 and 0 will equal 1, and 1 and 1 will equal 2. If you do that 100 million times, it usually takes about 5 minutes. I can click right here where my mouse is on the text box, and it will open up a file explorer for me to click the file where I want my neural network to be saved. Okay, I selected the file that I want my neural network to be saved in, and now I'm going to click Submit. The file is not empty. Would I like to overwrite it? Yes, I would. And it's been saved. Okay, now we're back to the start. Okay, just click right here where it says neural net, and you will get a file explorer for you to go find your file and open it up. And you can click here to open up a file explorer to click a file that will have all of your inputs to run a neural network inside of it. If you need help on knowing how to format it, click Help right here. It's at the very bottom, and it might not work on the first try, so you might need to toggle this button. And by toggling this button, you can go to where you can enter it in all through text. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to enter in a 0 and a 1. It should give me the answer of 1, submit, and I get the answer of 1. And I can press here to see the percentages of what the different neurons were, the output neurons, and I can copy those percentages by just clicking on this button. And click back to see it. Now I'm going to exit, and I would not like to run another set of inputs, so I'm going to click No. It'll bring me back to the main screen. Continue training is almost exactly the same as new, just all you need to do is click right here for a file explorer to open up so you can click on your existing neural network.